Are you looking for the best foldable phones? In this video we will look at some of the best foldable phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Google Pixel Fold. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is now the latest and greatest foldable from Samsung and is a minor upgrade over its predecessor. It packs a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 12GB of RAM, up to 1TB of storage, and a 400 mAh dual battery. While the battery life still isn't elite, it's a solid sell to keep you moving throughout your day. There are still 3 cameras at the back, a 10MP front-facing camera on the external display, and an under-display selfie shooter that packs just 4MP. The phone sports a side-mounted fingerprint reader and S Pen support in an attempt to capture some of that Galaxy Note glory. The main display is quite big when unfolded at 7.6 inches, while the smaller one comes in at 6.2 inches. You also get an IPX8 rating, Android 12L, and wireless charging. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung's other premium foldable takes on the clamshell market in the form of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. While the Fold 4 might take a lot of the headlines, this is the one to buy if you're ready to test out a relatively affordable foldable phone. The Flip 4 offers excellent build quality, with a premium exterior finish and a 6.7-inch internal display. The external display comes in at 1.9 inches to make managing your notifications that much easier. On the inside, you'll find a powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor leading the charge, with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage backing it up. There are two 12MP rear cameras and a 10MP front-facing camera. The handset also comes with a 700 mAh battery and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the most affordable folding option from Samsung, so it might just be the springboard the company needs to reach the masses. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. While it still costs a pretty penny, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is much more affordable than a lot of other foldable phones. It also has a retro vibe to it due to its clamshell design. But there's more to the phone than looks alone. It also packs plenty of power, a solid main camera, and a lot more. Number 4. Oppo Find N2 Flip. While much less popular than the other devices on this list of the best foldable phones, the Oppo Find N2 is one of the best of its kind. For starters, the design is gorgeous, while keeping a smaller profile that will help with portability. Additionally, it has no noticeable crease where the display folds. The hinge also feels much more robust, and looks much more seamlessly designed than others. Not to mention the design and materials, which are nothing short of premium. Oppo sure knows how to make good hardware. The Oppo Find N2 is not cheap, but you'll get plenty for your money. Specs are plenty powerful, offering a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, up to 16GB of RAM, as much as 512GB of storage, and a 520 mAh battery. Both the outer and inner displays are excellent, offering AMOLED technology with 120Hz refresh rates. All in all, we would highly recommend the Oppo Find N2 to foldable enthusiasts. The only real issue is that it can't be had officially in the USA, but it's easy to import it. Number 5. Motorola Raz, 2022. There aren't that many foldable phones on the market right now, although the ones listed above aren't the only ones you can choose from. A few other manufacturers have also released their own foldable phones, some of which you can check out below. However, remember that most of these are only available in China for now, and the possibility of them making their way over to the US or Europe is slim to none. Vivo X Fold, by here this foldable is also similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, featuring a smartphone screen on the outside and a tablet-sized folding display on the inside. It also offers 2 ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensors, one for each screen, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, and for rear cameras. This phone is pretty powerful, and actually comes with an IPX8 rating. It also has great cameras and a gorgeous design. The only reason we don't recommend it is because it has no Google services.